Yeah, my name is Frick, and today we have some breaking news. Dr. Squatch is after your bank account yet again, as they've just re-released their annual American Boy for the 4th of July, the Freedom Fresh. That's right, it's once again time to declare independence from natural soap. This time though, he's packing more firepower, because in addition to the bricc and deodorant, he's also getting the brand new hair kit. Now you may have also noticed that there's new packaging as well. In fact, the bar has 3 different designs that all connect into one. The original Freedom Fresh box is one of my favorites, and I'm not gonna lie, this new one is really nifty looking. However, it seems Squatch may be going down that reskin rabbit hole again. This is the first time we're getting a repackaged limited, and 3 variations of the same soap as well. So I'm curious as to how you guys feel about that. Both the bricc and deo have redesigns, but the hair kit is just straight up brand new. Now this is the real intriguing bit of news here, and the part I'm excited about, as I do like the scent of the deo. Just after we got the coconut castaway hair kit, we're getting the Freedom Boy, which we'll have to see how that turns out. If you don't know, we're talking a breezy beach boardwalk type of scent. To me the deo is much better than the soap, as the bar has been pretty weak overall. If you want a full in-depth guide and review of both the Freedom Fresh bricc and stick, I have videos for each. I'd love to hear what you guys think though. How do you feel about these new repackagings? Are you nabbing any of the Freedom Boys? Are you excited about the new Freedom Fresh hair kit? As always, Frick Nation, stay nifty.
Yeah, man!